Hi, it's Dave down at the allotment. This time it is a Tuesday. Sorry about my last video when I said Tuesday, but it was actually a Monday. But it is actually a Tuesday now. So what we're doing, we're going to move that stuff. We're going to move some stuff around, and we're going to pull this polytunnel. Oh, you can't see, it's not behind us. We're going to pull this polytunnel down and move it over here, over to another port. So that's what the plan is today. Still got soil maybe. So we'll let you see we'll start that. So see you soon. Okay, that's the stuff over there we're going to move next to that fence. That's what's sitting area where needs work done. Well, rhubob's starting to go brilliant, and what we're going to do is we're going to strip down this polytunnel and carry it up, and we'll put it over here. That's going to be our sort of like temporary hut till I can afford a one, which probably be a long time. So it's probably it's going to be our hut. So we're gonna, so I think it'll be fun taking it down and moving it, but we're going to give it a try. So we'll show you what's happening later on. Yep, down that one. As you can see, the polytunnel has disappeared. So they're busy cleaning out our little greenhouse. These beds are ready. Okay, so I will swing around. Look at me rhubarb. That's flipping shooting up. Showed you that last week. There was no there. So that's where our polytunnel is now. It's our hut. So this is going to be our sitting area. We've got some stuff to put down. So we've moved this to here. This is going to end up being a wild garden. And we'll get rid of that muck. We've still got that to dig over, as I say. So yep, so that's where, this is where our polytunnel is now. We're going to put a table and that in, and this will be our sort of little, so we can keep our shoes and all that in. So that's it for now. So probably won't be back down till Tuesday and do some more work. My plan is to put a little bit fencing along there, so I can put some wildflowers in here to go around the pond as well. So eventually along the top I'd like to clear that and put bulbs, spring bulbs, daffodils, snowdrops and stuff like that in. So this will be like the area we're sitting.
Not put that over the pond.
Where are you putting that? Oh, there.
Obviously it's got to be lifted back up again.
Aye. So we've got some bark. So when we get this stuff black done, we're going to get this barked. So if we can get all this, what we need done on Tuesday, the membrane down, ready for barking, and that'll get what done for now. Hang on, they're bringing another one up. Hang on, do I not need that one down the bottom there?
Put out here.
Oh well, they're moving me path.
It's cleaner.
Right, well that's it for now. So Dave from DRD is signing off, and we'll probably do another video next week and let you see. So don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, leave us a message, always get back in touch with you. So bye for now.